LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should form an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business and/or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. An LLC is one of the first steps to a thriving tutoring business. It legitimizes your business, which allows you to start treating all aspects of your business in a professional manner. One of the many benefits of filing an LLC for your business is your personal assets and identity are protected within the LLC. For example, if your business were to get sued, all of your personal money and assets would be safeguarded. This most likely won't happen, but having an LLC is an added layer of protection. Having an LLC for your tutoring business also means you're able to take expenses like supplies used tutoring or mileage driven to tutoring clients' houses off your taxes. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to start an LLC for your tutoring business. Step 1. Determine the name of your business. Choose a unique name for your tutoring business that's not already taken by another business. You'll need to register this name with your state government to make sure it's available. Step 2. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in. Choose the state you want to form your LLC in based on your business needs, taxes, and other legal requirements. You don't have to form your LLC in the state you live in. Step 3. File Articles of Organization with the state. The Articles of Organization is a legal document that officially creates your LLC. You'll need to file this document with the state where you want to form your LLC. You'll need to provide basic information about your business, including the name, address, and purpose of your LLC. Step 4. Obtain an EIN. An EIN is a unique identification number that the IRS assigns to your business for tax purposes. You'll need an EIN to open a business bank account and file taxes for your LLC. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership and management structure of your LLC. It's not required in all states, but it's a good idea to have one to prevent any misunderstandings or disputes among the members of your LLC. Step 6. Register for state and local taxes. This may include sales tax, income tax, and employment tax. Check with your state and local government to see what taxes you need to register for. Step 7. Obtain any required licenses and permits. Depending on the state and local laws, you may need to obtain licenses and permits to operate your tutoring business. Check with your state and local government to see what licenses and permits you need. Step 8. Open a business bank account. It's important to keep your personal and business finances separate. Opening a business bank account will help you keep track of your business finances and make it easier to file taxes. Step 9. Obtain business insurance. Insurance can protect your business from unexpected events, such as accidents or lawsuits. Depending on the nature of your tutoring business, you may need different types of insurance, such as general liability insurance or professional liability insurance. While general liability is the most important type of insurance to have, there are several other forms of coverage you should be aware of. Professional liability insurance, home-based business insurance, workers' compensation insurance, and commercial auto insurance are some of the other types of insurance you should do some research on and get before starting your tutoring business. Step 10. Start tutoring. Once you've completed all the necessary steps to start your LLC, you can start tutoring. Make sure to keep accurate records of your income and expenses, and file your taxes on time. In conclusion, starting an LLC for your tutoring business can offer you legal protection and help you run your business more efficiently. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Incfile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through Incfile. Incfile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. Incfile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. Incfile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. Incfile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the Incfile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because Incfile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. Incfile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term piercing the corporate veil comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.